Welcome to Idaho Gems, the top 30 places to visit in Idaho. Known as the Gem State for good reason, Idaho is filled with sparkling lakes, dramatic canyons, snow-capped peaks, and some of the most stunning scenery in the U.S. From charming small towns to majestic national parks, Idaho is a paradise for adventurers and nature lovers alike. Join us as we count down from 30 to 1 and discover the very best that Idaho has to offer. Number 30. Bruneau Dunes State Park. Home to the tallest single-structured sand dune in North America, Bruneau Dunes State Park offers an otherworldly landscape perfect for exploration. Visitors can hike the massive dunes, go sandboarding, or enjoy stargazing at the on-site observatory. The park's tranquil lake adds a splash of blue amid the sea of sand. Wildlife such as owls, lizards, and hawks are frequently spotted. It's an unforgettable blend of desert adventure and natural beauty. Number 29. McCall, a cozy mountain town located on the shores of Payette Lake, offering year-round beauty. In the summer, it's a hub for boating, hiking, and festivals, while in winter, the town transforms into a snowy playground. Visitors enjoy skiing at Brundage Mountain and relaxing in nearby hot springs. Its small-town charm and friendly atmosphere make it a favorite Idaho getaway. McCall captures the essence of mountain living in every season. Number 28. Silverwood Theme Park. As the largest theme park in the Northwest, Silverwood is a family favorite with thrilling roller coasters and water rides. It features the Boulder Beach Water Park, perfect for cooling off during Idaho's warm summers. The park's mix of excitement and entertainment attracts visitors from across the region. Whether you're screaming down the Aftershock coaster or relaxing by the lazy river, there's fun for all ages. It's Idaho's go-to spot for family thrills. Number 27. City of Rocks National Reserve. Known for its dramatic granite spires, City of Rocks is a mecca for rock climbers and adventurers. The landscape resembles a natural sculpture garden shaped over millions of years. Hikers can follow historic trails once used by pioneers traveling the California Trail. The area's peaceful vibe and stunning rock formations create a sense of timeless wonder. It's a perfect destination for outdoor exploration and photography. Number 26. Wallace, located in Idaho, is a historic mining town nestled in the Silver Valley, rich in character and charm. The entire town is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Visitors can explore the Sierra Silver Mine or stroll through antique shops and museums. The town also proudly claims to be the center of the universe, marked by a manhole cover downtown. It's a quirky and fascinating stop full of Idaho history. Number 25. Thousand Springs State Park. This park lives up to its name, with countless waterfalls spilling from the Snake River Canyon walls. Visitors can kayak, picnic, or simply admire the surreal views of crystal-clear water cascading into emerald pools. The park consists of multiple scenic areas, each offering unique beauty. It's also a haven for wildlife and birdwatching. Thousand Springs feels like a hidden paradise in southern Idaho. Number 24. Shoshone Ice Caves, an underground marvel where temperatures stay freezing even in the summer. Guided tours lead visitors deep into the volcanic lava tubes filled with natural ice formations. It's both a geological wonder and a fascinating educational experience. The contrast between the desert above and the icy world below is striking. It's one of Idaho's coolest attractions, literally. Number 23. Sun Valley, Idaho's crown jewel for skiing, luxury, and outdoor recreation. This world-renowned resort attracts celebrities and adventure seekers alike. In winter, it's famous for perfect powder, while in summer it offers hiking, biking, and scenic gondola rides. The charming village atmosphere adds to its allure. Sun Valley proves that Idaho can rival any mountain destination in the world. Number 22. Hells Canyon National Recreation Area. Deeper than the Grand Canyon, Hells Canyon is a natural wonder carved by the Snake River. Visitors can raft through its roaring rapids or hike the rugged trails along the rim. The views are breathtaking, showcasing dramatic cliffs and remote wilderness. It's a paradise for adrenaline seekers and photographers alike. Few places in Idaho showcase the power of nature like Hell's Canyon. Number 21. Boise River Greenbelt. Stretching 25 miles through the capital city, the Boise River Greenbelt is a scenic urban escape. Locals and visitors enjoy biking, walking, and picnicking along the shaded paths beside the flowing river. It connects several parks and neighborhoods, making it a vital part of Boise's charm. Wildlife such as herons and beavers can be seen along the trail. The Greenbelt perfectly blends city life with nature. Number 20. Coeur d'Alene Resort. Overlooking the sparkling Coeur d'Alene Lake, this luxurious resort defines relaxation and beauty. Guests enjoy fine dining, spa treatments, and even floating golf greens. The lakeside views are breathtaking, especially at sunset. It's an ideal spot for honeymoons, family vacations, or simply unwinding. Coeur d'Alene Resort sets the standard for lakeside elegance in Idaho. Number 19. Redfish Lake. Nestled in the Sawtooth Mountains, Redfish Lake is one of Idaho's most picturesque spots. Its crystal-clear waters reflect the rugged peaks, creating postcard-perfect scenery. Visitors enjoy kayaking, swimming, and camping along its pristine shores. The nearby lodge offers cozy accommodations with a rustic touch. Redfish Lake is a dream destination for mountain and lake lovers alike. Number 18. Craters of the Moon National Monument. This volcanic landscape looks like another planet, with lava fields, cinder cones, and eerie caves. Visitors can hike trails that wind through hardened lava flows and explore underground tunnels. The monument's surreal terrain was even used by NASA astronauts for moon training. Despite its harsh beauty, it teems with fascinating geological history. Craters of the Moon is one of the most unique places in the United States. Number 17. Bear Lake. Known as the Caribbean of the Rockies, Bear Lake's turquoise water is absolutely stunning. It straddles the Idaho-Utah border and is a popular destination for boating and beach fun. Families flock here for summer picnics, jet skiing, and raspberry milkshakes from local stands. The surrounding mountains create a perfect backdrop. Bear Lake is a gem of relaxation and recreation. Number 16. Idaho Falls. This vibrant city along the Snake River is known for its beautiful riverwalk and friendly atmosphere. The Idaho Falls Greenbelt features waterfalls and gardens ideal for strolls or photography. The Museum of Idaho adds cultural depth with fascinating exhibits. Nearby, adventure seekers can head toward Yellowstone or the Grand Tetons. Idaho Falls blends small-town charm with big adventure access. Number 15. Priest Lake. Tucked away in northern Idaho, Priest Lake is a peaceful haven surrounded by forested mountains. The clear water is perfect for swimming, fishing, and kayaking. The area is known for its wildlife, including moose and bald eagles. It's also a popular spot for camping under starlit skies. Priest Lake captures the wild serenity of Idaho's panhandle. Number 14. Lava Hot Springs. Famous for its soothing mineral waters, Lava Hot Springs offers relaxation and fun for all ages. Visitors can soak in the natural pools or enjoy the water park nearby. The town's charming main street features quaint shops and cafes. It's a perfect stop for rejuvenation after outdoor adventures. Lava Hot Springs combines small-town hospitality with natural healing. Number 13. Snake River Canyon. Stretching across southern Idaho, the Snake River Canyon offers breathtaking views and exciting outdoor activities. Visitors can walk across the Perrine Bridge or go base jumping for a rush of adrenaline. The canyon walls reveal millions of years of geological history. It's also home to Shoshone Falls, one of Idaho's greatest natural wonders. The Snake River Canyon is both scenic and thrilling. Number 12. Payette Lake. Located in McCall is a shimmering alpine treasure surrounded by pine forests. In summer, the lake comes alive with boaters, paddleboarders, and swimmers. The surrounding trails are great for hiking and wildlife spotting. The crisp mountain air and calm waters create a refreshing escape. Payette Lake is one of Idaho's most beloved summer destinations. Number 11. Sandpoint and Lake Pend Oreille. Sandpoint sits on the shores of Lake Pend Oreille, Idaho's largest and deepest lake. The town is a mix of artsy vibes and outdoor adventure. Visitors can sail, hike, or ski at Schweitzer Mountain in the winter. The scenic beauty makes it one of the most picturesque small towns in America. Sandpoint is the perfect gateway to northern Idaho's wilderness. Number 10. Sawtooth National Recreation Area. Covering over 700,000 acres, the Sawtooth NRA is Idaho's ultimate wilderness playground. Towering peaks, alpine lakes, and meadows filled with wildflowers define the landscape. Hikers and backpackers come here for some of the most scenic trails in the West. It's a paradise for photographers and adventurers alike. The Sawtooth Mountains embody the heart of Idaho's wild spirit. Number 9. St. Anthony Sand Dunes. These massive dunes rise up to 400 feet high and stretch for miles across eastern Idaho. They attract off-road enthusiasts, sandboarders, and campers seeking unique adventure. The shifting sands create a dramatic and ever-changing landscape. Sunset over the dunes is especially stunning. St. Anthony Sand Dunes is Idaho's desert playground. Number 8. Stanley. The small town of Stanley sits at the foot of the Sawtooth Mountains and offers jaw-dropping views in every direction. It's a hub for whitewater rafting, hiking, and fishing. Despite its size, Stanley has a big personality with welcoming locals and rustic charm. The nearby hot springs are perfect for soaking after a long hike. Stanley is an authentic Idaho mountain town at its finest. Number 7. Boise. Idaho's capital city is vibrant, friendly, and surrounded by natural beauty. Downtown Boise buzzes with restaurants, shops, and outdoor markets. The nearby foothills offer endless hiking and biking trails. Cultural spots like the Boise Art Museum and Old Idaho Penitentiary add depth to its appeal. Boise blends city energy with an outdoor lifestyle like no other. Number 6. Shoshone Falls. Often called the Niagara of the West, Shoshone Falls plunges 212 feet, taller than Niagara itself. The roar of the water and mist in the air create a breathtaking spectacle. Viewing platforms provide incredible photo opportunities. In spring, when water levels are high, the falls are at their most powerful. It's one of Idaho's most awe-inspiring natural sights. Number 5. Salmon River. Known as the River of No Return, the Salmon River flows through rugged wilderness and steep canyons. It's a top destination for whitewater rafting and fishing. The scenic byway that follows the river offers jaw-dropping views at every turn. Wildlife such as elk and eagles add to the adventure. The Salmon River defines the wild, untamed heart of Idaho. Number 4. Ponderosa State Park. Located near McCall, Ponderosa State Park features a beautiful mix of forest, lake, and mountain views. Visitors can enjoy hiking, kayaking, and camping surrounded by giant pine trees. In fall, the golden colors are spectacular. It's a peaceful retreat with plenty of outdoor fun. Ponderosa State Park is a slice of pure Idaho beauty. Number 3. Yellowstone National Park, Idaho section. Though most of Yellowstone lies in Wyoming, a small portion stretches into Idaho, offering serene and less crowded views. Visitors can see steaming geothermal vents, lush meadows, and roaming wildlife. It's an ideal entry point to the park without the big crowds. The landscape is both tranquil and dramatic. Idaho's corner of Yellowstone is a hidden gem in itself. Number 2. Idaho State Capitol. Located in downtown Boise, the Idaho State Capitol is an architectural masterpiece made of marble and sandstone. Visitors can explore its grand rotunda, elegant staircases, and historical displays. The building symbolizes Idaho's strength and independence. Guided tours provide fascinating insights into the state's history and government. The Capitol stands as a proud icon of Idaho's capital city. Number 1. Twin Lakes, Rathdrum, Idaho. Nestled amid lush pine forests in northern Idaho, Twin Lakes is a peaceful escape for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The two connected lakes, North Twin and South Twin, offer calm waters perfect for kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. In summer, families gather along the shorelines for swimming and picnics with mountain views in the background. The surrounding area provides charming cabins, hiking trails, and plenty of wildlife sightings, making it ideal for a weekend retreat. Whether you're seeking quiet relaxation or water-based adventure, Twin Lakes delivers a classic Idaho experience of serenity and scenic beauty. And that wraps up our countdown of Idaho, the top 30 places to visit. From volcanic landscapes and roaring waterfalls to serene lakes and cozy mountain towns, Idaho truly is a land of endless adventure. Whether you're exploring with friends, family, or solo, the Gem State promises memories that will last a lifetime. Please like and subscribe for more travel gems from across America. See you on the next adventure.